Hi, my name is Brittany Callaghy, and I will be discussing national and local resources and support sites for families of individuals on the spectrum. I will first be describing 3 national resources that include the ARC, Autism Speaks, and A Parent's Guide to Evidence-Based Practice and Autism Manual. The ARC is a national, community-based organization that advocates and serves individuals with intellectual and developmental disabilities and their families. This organization includes individuals of all ages and all spectrums. The ARC runs the Autism Now Center, which provides high-quality resources and information in core areas to individuals with ASD, their families, and professionals in the field. They provide at-home, on-the-job, in the classroom, and in the community resources for families. They provide new articles and share new videos about related topics pertaining to autism for individuals to read about. There is also a blog section that individuals can post in. One blog I was able to read was from an individual with ASD stating that he is finishing his last year of college and is asking if anyone is willing to participate in a survey he's conducting. Lastly, I would recommend this site because it provides individuals with disabilities the skills and knowledge necessary to live on their own and be as independent as possible. Autism Speak strives to enhance the lives of today and increase solutions for tomorrow. This website offers a range of things from describing what autism is, describing the signs associated with ASD, providing autism response team, providing resources for individuals with ASD, parents or educators, and finally providing autism-friendly events. I would recommend this site because it is friendly, has an easygoing feel, and provides valuable information. Plus, the response team is very valuable. The third one is A Parent's Guide to Evidence-Based Practice in Autism. It is a manual from the National Autism Center, and it aims to assist parents as they make difficult decisions about how to best help their children with ASD reach their full potential. This manual helps families understand ASD. It goes into detail about research findings on treatments. It explains why data collection is essential. It talks about family preferences and values in the treatment process and describes how to tell if the IEP team can truly help your child. After reading through a couple of these chapters, I would recommend this manual. I think every parent and family member should be familiar with all aspects pertaining to ASD. This manual has the potential to answer some tough questions and help bring success to the child with ASD. The 3 local resources that I'm going to discuss are Autism Resource, Temecula Community Service, and Autistic Self-Advocacy Network. And if you click on the image, it will direct you right to the link. I forgot to mention that for the national resources. The Autism Society provides advocacy, education, information, and referral support and community at national, state, and local levels through a nationwide network of affiliates. One fun fact about this Autism Society, it hosts a national conference on autism, and on average, 1,000 people attend each year. The Autism Society helps families find affiliates, provides a resource database, provides a way for families to contact them with questions or concerns, provides essential information pertaining to ASD, and information regarding living with autism. This resource provides detailed information about ASD and shares real stories from the spectrum. Since I live in Temecula, I thought this would be a good resource for local residents. This is the Temecula Community Resource. It provides this guide of resources for a reference tool to assist parents, caregivers, and individuals affected by disabilities to connect with local services and resources. This guide provides information on the Inland Regional Center, Southwest California Autism Task Force, our Nicholas Foundation, Autism Community Playbook, and other related articles. I would recommend this website for anyone who lives in or by Temecula. It's super informative. Lastly, the Autistic Self-Advocacy Network seeks to advance the principles of the disability rights movement with regard to autism. It believes that the goal of autism advocacy should be a world in which autistic people enjoy equal access, rights, and opportunities. Their activities include public policy advocacy, the development of autistic cultural activities, and leadership training for autistic self-advocates. They also provide information about autism, disability rights, and systems change to public through a number of different educational, cultural, and advocacy-related projects. Every description in this website provides details, resources, and it's easy to navigate. These are the websites to every resource that I provided for you guys and described. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it.